unbelievable. This is amazing. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's YouTube channel is all about the flax seeds. We are going to put it in our hair and use it like gel. I have done this before in the past and I just can't wait to do it again. As you see, my hair is so dry, so we're going to see the before and after, and it's so easy to make, you guys, like so easy. It's just like making rice, boiling some rice or noodles. It's so easy. All right, the flax seeds that I purchased is whole flax seeds and no flavor added, healthy fiber, vitamin B, omega-3. First you want to get your pan and just pour about 2 cups of water in there. Okay, perfect. You want to put your pan on a medium flame, and I'm going to do 5 full spoonfuls of the flaxseed, and I think that would provide me enough gel to last for me throughout the whole week. All right, so keep stirring, and we are waiting for a nice slimy, gooey texture, just like this. So now it's all ready. I got my bowl and my drainer, so I'm going to filter it and drain it to get rid of the seeds. This is a slow process. If you want to speed it up, you can always use a stocking and squeeze the flaxseed gel out of the stocking also. Look at that, you guys. I love it. Can't wait to install it in my hair and show you the before and after. This is amazing hair growth gel. Oh, and it's so affordable, and it's so slippery. Look at that. Imagine that in your hair. It's a couple seeds. I can take time to get it out with the tweezers, but I'm not tripping. So I just have a little bit in my hand. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm gonna apply just a little bit in my hair. I already have some in the hair, but I just wanted to show you how the slip is unbelievable. This is amazing. Yes. Yes. So yeah, look at that slip. Yes, love it, love it. And that shine too, yes. Hi, so I want to give a shout out to North Chick Collection. I am so happy I received them in the mail. She gave me 3. I'm wearing one right now. I adore these because it pulls my hair out of my face in this hot weather. I could use it as a scrunchie. I could put it on my daughter's head. I could use it for my bun. And look how cute it is. She put like a little mountains and stuff, little stamp. And these are all handmade, you guys. I'll put her Instagram down below. So I just love this flaxseed gel. It just worked out so great. It actually gave me some muscles squeezing it from the stocking. But look at that. I have so much left over. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It's only good for another 7 days, you guys. So make for sure you put it in the refrigerator. You don't even need much. So little goes such a long way. So I'm going to let this dry and then show you guys how wonderful it looks. So I just wanted to show you guys it dried, how well it looks. Look at that. It's so defined. It's very shiny. And it's so affordable. This stuff is amazing. And it looks like it's still wet, but it's not. It's actually made my hair very soft. I just hope it lasts for a long time. I actually just damped my hair and just applied a little bit, you know, on the palms and just worked it through my hair. It has great slip. And then look at my edges. Wow, that looks great. I'm feeling this. This flaxseed gel is the bomb. And this was a very easy, simple DIY too. So thanks for watching my YouTube video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell to be notified for more videos.